Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to make bungeoppang pouch. We're going to start with a magic ring. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be two lines. We're going to hook under the first line and hook into the second one. Then we're going to make a chain. And there is a magic ring. We're going to make 3 chains. Then we're going to continue with double crochet. And to make a double crochet, we're going to wrap the yarn around the hook, insert it into the ring, yarn over and pull the yarn out. There will be 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull it out from the first and the second loop, yarn over again and pull it through the rest of the loops. We're going to mark the first stitch. And since we need 10 double crochet for the first round, we're going to make 9 more double crochet. Pull the yarn to close the ring, and we are going to make a slip stitch on the very first double crochet. Continue with 3 chains, and then for the second round we're going to make increase, and for increase we have to make 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So still on the same stitch where we made the chains, we're going to make double crochet 2 times. We're going to continue with increase for the rest of the stitches. Make a slip stitch on the first double crochet. We are going to continue with 3 chains. And the pattern for this round is 4 double crochet and an increase. So still on the same stitch where we made the chain, we are going to make a double crochet. Continue with double crochet for the next 3 stitches. And then on the next stitch, we're going to make an increase. And that is the pattern for this round, for double crochet and an increase. We're going to continue with that pattern until the end of the round. Make a slip stitch on the first double crochet. Continue with 3 chains. And the pattern for this round is 2 double crochet and an increase. So we're going to start with 2 double crochet first. Just like the previous rounds, we're going to make the first double crochet on the same stitch where we made the chains. Then we're going to make another double crochet on the next stitch. Then we're going to make an increase on the next stitch. And that is the pattern for this round. We're going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the round. Make a slip stitch on the first double crochet. Continue with 3 chains. And then for round 5 until round 10, we're going to make a double crochet for each stitch. We're going to continue into round 11. So we're going to start with 3 chains. Then we're going to make 2 double crochet. Make 3 chains. And we are going to skip the first and the second stitch. And we are going to make a double crochet for the next 2 stitches. Continue with 3 chains. Skip the first and the second stitch. Then make a double crochet for the next 2 stitches. Continue with 3 chains. Skip the first and the second stitch and make a double crochet on the next 2 stitches. You can repeat the same step until you reach the end of the round. Once you reach the end of the round, you should have ended with 3 chains. Then we're going to make a slip stitch on the first double crochet. Continue with 3 chains. And we are going to make 2 double crochet. Then on the hole that was formed by the chains, we're going to make 2 double crochet. Continue with 2 double crochet. Continue with 2 double crochet on the hole that was formed by the chain. And you can just follow the same step until you reach the end of the round. Make a slip stitch on the first double crochet. Continue with 3 chains. Then for the last round, we're going to make a double crochet for each stitch. Make a slip stitch on the first double crochet. Make a chain. You can cut the yarn and weave in the end. So we are done with the pouch. Now we are going to make the eye and the scales. For the string, we're going to start with a slip knot. So we're going to wrap the yarn around the fingers. When you flip it, there will be 2 lines. Hook under the first one and hook into the second one. Then we're going to hold the tip of the yarn. And we can just pull the yarn on both sides. And there is a slip knot. We're going to continue with the chain. And you can adjust the length of the string however you want. If you want a longer string, then you can just make more chains. I made around 60 chains. Once you've reached the length that you want, you can cut the yarn. And we are going to insert the string into the pouch. Then we can just tie the string together and weave in the end. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!